Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we will discuss about how to sort a list. Okay, so I have a list here with the numbers like 12, 4, 56, 87, 17, 98, and I want to sort this list. How can I do that? So Python gives us a predefined function called sort. Using that sort function, we can just sort it. Let's do this. Numbers dot sort. That's it. If I do this one, automatically this list will be sorted. Let me show you the output. Python 3 program. See here, the elements are sorted. So these are before sorting. Let me show you that as well. Before sort. Okay, and this one is after sort. Okay, so let's rerun this one. See here, before sorting and after sorting. This is a very simple function, and we can give some parameters to this one. Like see, now if you see, this is a ascending order, you want in the descending order, so that's time we need to give reverse here. And if you give reverse as true, that means you want to sort it in the descending order. See here, all the elements are sorted in the descending order. But if you carefully notice here, using this sort function, the existing numbers list will be sorted. Okay, so in case you don't want to do that, you don't want to update or do the sorting within the numbers, then we should use another function called sorted. Okay, so this sorted function will take the list to sort any list. Let's do this one. Okay, so I am just removing this code, this particular two lines. Okay, let me show you this print. Okay, see here, this will get sort the elements. Even this sorted function also will take the reverse parameter for reversing the elements. Okay, so let's do this. See here, it will do it. But if you, even if you print numbers now, numbers will be still the same that what we have here. Okay, see here, so whatever we have assigned, those values will be still there, and using a sorted, it will generate a new list basically. So it's up to you which function you want to use. In case if you want to sort in itself the numbers itself, then you can use this sort function, otherwise this one. Okay, so that's how we can sort a list in Python programming. Okay, so let's write a simple program. Okay, and using these concepts that we learned just now. Okay, let me add a new file, sorting numbers, or maybe let me give something like number 5 sorting dot py. Okay, so in this program, what we will do is we will take input from the user, some couple of numbers from the user, and after entering taking the numbers, we will sort it and then show it to the user. Okay, so let's take something like show the print here, how many elements you want to sort. Okay, so instead of this, I will just use input directly, int of input, and inside that I will have this. And I will take that in n. Okay, so and now I will take in numbers as an empty list, And now I will write a for loop for I in range of n. That means I'm going to take n numbers from the users. So numbers dot append of int of input, enter your, what is this, mm, enter your number. Let me give this, that's it. Okay, so let me print all the values now, numbers. Let's run this program first and see before sorting it. No, this is not the one, right? This is our 5 program. How many elements you want to sort? Maybe 5. Hmm, numbers is not defined here. Sorry, here this is a typo basically, so it's good. Getting errors. I want 5 elements and enter your number like 23. I want to give maybe 2 here, 14, 6, 45. So these are the elements that I enter here. Okay, so these are before sorting. Okay, now let's write the function for sorting the list. So now using which function you want to sort, it's up to you. So I'm going to use simple sort dot sort one. Okay, so instead of writing the entire code again, after sorting I will just finish it in a single line here, numbers dot sort. That's it. So let's now take 4 values like 22, 5, 98, 1. Oh, after sorting it's none. Why we got none here? Numbers dot sort, it will return nothing basically. Okay, so we need to do something like this. Okay, 4 values, 98, 12, 2, this. See here. So this is how we can sort a list in Python. It's not only about the numbers. Okay, even we can sort the strings as well. Okay, so you can try that out. If you have any problem I am doing this problem, mention in the comment section below. I will try to help you guys. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.